Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make love on Figma. So to get started, click on this, make sure you're selecting the rectangle tool and hold down your shift key to create a perfect square. Next up, hold your Alt key and drag this out. Then you hover on this, increase the radius in like this to create a perfect circle of the same dimension. Next up, hold your shift key and drag it out. Then you can give both of them the same color. So I'll go ahead and select red and I'll close this. Next up, circle first half of the right hand side this way. I drag the second one to the first half of the top of the square like so. Then select everything together and rotate it this way. Like this. The next thing I want to do is to click here and select the union and click on union selection. And now we have our love. We just made love. Thank you.